All right, Caleb, here is how you are going to solve these quadratic equations with the quadratic formula. Just a reminder what the quadratic formula is. I'm going to write it over here. So let's ignore number 2. And this is a different worksheet than the one that's assigned to you. So our quadratic formula, and I'll try not to sing it too much, but remember, is x is equal to negative, excuse me. Sorry. Let me try again. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what it's going to require us to do, it's going to require us to identify a, b, and c, and then plug it into that formula. So, and I want to be able to zoom in. So, doing number 1 with my quadratic formula, we need to identify a, b, and c. Well, our quadratic formula in standard form is always ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this one's in standard form for us. So our a is what's multiplied with x squared. So since I don't have a number here, it's always going to be 1. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to negative 5. And c is equal to negative 14. So this is where I'm just going to then plug into my formula. So x is equal to negative b. Well, b is negative, so negative 5 is 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 5 squared, minus 4ac, so 4 times 1 times negative 14, all over 2 times a. So then it just requires us to simplify, and I'll use a different pen. So x is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root. Negative 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 is 4 times negative 14. So 4 times negative 14, that would be negative 56. So minus negative 56 all over 2. Again, simplifying that a little bit further, we get, and I'll use a different pen, x is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 25. This becomes plus 56, so 25 plus 56, 81, all over 2a, which 2 times 1 is 2. So again, so then from here, all we need to do is square root, and square root of 81 is a nice number. So we get 5 plus or minus the square root of 81, which is 9, divided by 2. So our two solutions become 5 plus 9 divided by 2 and 5 minus 9 divided by 2. And I'm running out of room, so I'm going to erase 4 with my white marker as best of my ability so I can write my solutions. Again, if I had more room, I would be able to make this a little bit more clear. So 5 plus 9 divided by 2. 5 plus 9 is 14. Divided by 2 is 7. So one of my solutions is 7. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So my two solutions are 7 and negative 2. Let me know if you want another example.